To fix the problem when you don't receive any notifications on your Redmi Watch 5 Lite, you can follow my steps right here in the MI Fitness app. So open the app. Inside we want to select our watch. It should be available here any moment. Select devices and then go for notifications and calls. Here we can select app notifications. Make sure that they are activated with app notifications right here enabled. If the switch is orange, then you can try to manage the mirror phone notifications or customize notifications. You can try to enable notifications from a certain app and see if the problem lies in the app or maybe in the watch itself. So let's, for example, enable the WhatsApp only. Then try to message your friend to actually message you back and see if you receive that notifications. And otherwise, you would need to try resetting your device. And I've made the other video on how to reset that watch, so if you're interested, be sure to check it out on my channel. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.